Hey, what's up, guys? Will Black here. So good to see you. You know what? Everybody that's been coming back and watching my videos since I switched back to acrylic pouring, I appreciate you. You guys are amazing. So today, I'm going to do an Anne Marie inspired pour. So these are colors similar to what she's done. Now, she uses a whole bunch of Vallejo stuff. I don't have all that. So what I've done, I've used some Artist Loft paints, some Behr Premium Plus paints, and some Valspar, and one Behr Marquee, maybe not, and a Daler and Rowney color. So yeah, we've got phthalo blue, and we've got metallic cobalt blue, and metallic cobalt blue, and some other stuff. Hey there, son.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in a minute. My boy just turned 16 yesterday. He's an old man now. All right, let's switch over to the art cam so we can get this business underway. Transition in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, here we are. So we have phthalo blue, we have metallic cobalt blue, and we have this yellow is the one French one that I can never pronounce the name, so I'm not even going to try, but Sonny Jonqui. Anyway, I put a little bit of brown in it because I felt like it was too, like, in your face. And these, with these colors, I put a touch of titanium white in it to kind of just pull it back a little bit. Otherwise, we're going to have such a dark painting, and which that wouldn't be horrible. It would be kind of low contrast. And I wanted this brown to be featured in that business. And so I've pre-siliconed all of these. Usually I put 1 drop. Today I'm testing out what 3 drops would look like. Yeah, and I don't usually put this much silicone in anything, and I'm out of cups. So these are the last of my cups. I wanted to put 1 more color in, but I'm out of cups. So 4 colors. No white though, so whatevs. I want this to be my base, the yellow. So this is going to be a fun pour. It's going to look awesome. And some of this blue in here. Not perfectly stirred. Perfectly enough. I'm not too worried about it. Get out of my cup. Get in there. Now, I'm trying to get like every little bit out of here because I didn't make a whole lot of this color, even though I really like it. All right. Wait, too far. And let's get a brown in there. A little bit of contrast in color and whatnot. That's going to be plenty of brown. There was a lot of brown in there. But for sure, I know I'm going to be able to cover this canvas. All right. And a high up pour with one of my favorite colors here. Get in there. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That looks really thick. I'm not going to worry about it. We'll see. All right. I can get some more yellow out of here. Let's get some more yellow out of here. Oh, yeah. Isn't that lovely? Okay. I'm also trying, so 2 things. A little bit more silicone than usual, and more what's it called than usual? No, seriously, what's it called? Thicker paints than usual. Okay, but anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No spill. Ooh, but I almost got a beard hair in there. Let's not do that. Nobody likes art with beard hair. Wouldn't that be the weirdest kind of art? Whatever. Okay, so yeah, let's just get that bit. Holy cow! Look at the. Oh my goodness. That. Are you serious right now? Wow. That cup. I don't know if you can even see in there, but the wow. Cell explosion, my friends. This is intense. Um, well, here. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? Some of these cells. Wow. I'm going to get a color catcher. Color catcher, corner catcher. So I hate to use UPO for this, but I'm gonna. And this is one of the ones I cut up myself. So Jerry's Art is here in Austin, and so I go there and buy sheets of it, and it's $4 a sheet, which really isn't that bad when you start cutting it up into other things. Let's start with this one. Man, that's beautiful. Hold on. I'm not going to do that yet. I want to get all this out. I want to stretch this bad boy as little as possible because these cells are bananas. Bananas. That's right. And if you know that Gwen Stefani song, I am sorry what I just did to your brain. And if you don't know it, ignore what I just said and go look it up. Oh, man. Okay. Actually, I should have let all that come out of the cup, but I didn't. So, do it now. I'm doing it real slow right now because I'm a little worried about how it's going to break up. And I really like what I got going here. Guys, I think I'm going to break down and buy that Logitech Brio. I keep selling music instruments to buy more painting stuff. I'm down a drum set, and I'm almost down a drum set, an amp, and almost went and sold my bass. But I still play my bass for other stuff, so. And almost got to the corner. All right. Oh, look how cool that is! I'm such a geek sometimes. Man, I love that blue. I'm losing some of the cells that I originally loved, but man, sorry I'm going so slow. There's just so much good stuff that I don't want to lose here. I could do without some of this extra brown, though. The brown is great right here, but I think it's a little too thick right there. I'll do that corner last, so I can kind of gauge on what I want to pour off and what I don't. This blue is so awesome. Come on, baby. And come on, make it to the tip right there. Just a little bit more. Yeah, no worries. I got you. What a trip. So this is thicker than usual for me and more silicone than usual. Can't believe the size of some of these cells. Come on. Almost there. All right, we there. Let's see. Yeah, I like. Let's get off here. There we go. I had to clean up. This doesn't look nearly as delicious as the sorbet pour, but it's awesome. I love it. Man, I should use Anne Marie as my inspiration more often. And also, this one is a little bit metallic-y, so as it dries, right now we're losing some of the metallic-y because it's still wet and shiny, but right here and right here is going to be laced through here and laced through here. It's going to be a bit shiny. Man, guys, I'm so glad you could watch this one because I don't know if you could even... Man, you know what? Okay, let's do this. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and slightly true up the color because it's a little bit too bright. The saturation is a little low. I don't know why. I can't seem to get perfect color out of this webcam. That's why I'm just going to break down. Forget it. Just buy the best one out there, and so I can make the best videos for my peeps. Okay. Big time. Art cam. Config video. Camera control. Zoom, baby. Zoom. Okay. There is just so much field of depth right through here and right here. These, I love it. I'm going to have to hit it again because I see bubbles still rising, which is unfortunate because then I'm going to create more cells and it's already cell crazy. But I wish my cells would settle down just a little bit. Okay, so for silicone, this is the kind I use. I swear by it, I think it's the best kind. It's thicker, and they say that it's, I'm not sure exactly how they do it, but they say it's more pure than the other one. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they say. And I said I was going to fix up the saturation because it's a little light right now. That's truer to actual color. Holy, I love this one. Apply. Okay. Okay. And yeah, that's fun. What a satisfying pour. You know those days when you're like trying to make art and you're like nothing comes out? Well, that wasn't today, but I've had days like that. And oh, I gotta hit this once more. I see some bubbles, so. I'm just gonna hit these bubbles and then Okay. Oh man, I can really see the gold, the mica right there. Oh, and there. That's gonna be so beautiful. I can't wait till this dries and I can seal it, cause then that's gonna be nice. Okay, face, 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 just face. Just out of curiosity, who would be interested in a tutorial on how to set up for YouTube videos? I know some of my followers have their own channel. I'm subscribed to some of you guys, and who would be interested in that? And this is, I would work with my setup. I don't know what you guys have, but yeah, if you're interested, just let me know in the comments, and we'll see what we can get going. We'll might make a separate channel so people don't be like, "What is this, man?" And we'll be like, "Settle down. I don't know where this is going. I'm having a conversation. No one else is here." Got nothing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. You guys, I don't know what I was going to say. You guys are awesome. All right, would you do me a favor and like this video? And subscribe if you haven't joined us crazies over here. And I fixed the shiny thing. I think it was Judy. Or Pat in Texas. Might have been Pat. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace.